Many seniors do everything right, yet still feel tired after meals, wake at night with indigestion, or notice stubborn belly fat that refuses to go. Your lab results may look fine, yet you sense something is off. If your skin looks dull, your energy dips after lunch, or your digestion feels heavy, your liver may be asking for help. The liver works like your body's filter and engine together. When it struggles, everything slows, from mood and memory to joint comfort and blood pressure balance. Today, I share a gentle countdown of 5 everyday healthy foods that quietly overwhelm the liver. You still enjoy tasty meals, yet with smarter swaps that support healing. Please join the conversation in the comments. Where are you watching from today? What health issue are you currently facing? I speak in simple, friendly language so you feel calm, clear, and in control. Small steps today create big changes in the weeks ahead. It is gentle, helpful. Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful liver-related material inside a free senior health app, including trackers and simple guides. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 5. Fruit juices and detox. Smoothies. These drinks look bright and fresh, so they feel healthy. Yet many packaged juices and cafe smoothies load the body with a quick sugar surge that the liver must process right away. Even at home, large smoothies that blend several fruits at once act like liquid sugar because the blender breaks the fiber that normally slows the release. When sugar hits fast, the liver stores more fat, cravings rise, and energy drops within an hour. If you also manage blood sugar or blood pressure, that wave feels even stronger. The better path keeps the fruit whole and the portion small. A simple plate with an apple and a handful of nuts supports steadier energy than a tall juice. If you love smoothies, treat them like a balanced snack, not a dessert. Use unsweetened almond milk or water, one small fruit like half a banana or a handful of berries, a fistful of spinach, and protein or healthy fat such as chia seeds, ground flaxseed, Greek yogurt, or a spoon of peanut butter. Skip honey, agave syrup, dates, or sweet detox powders. Sip slowly, not fast. Pair the drink with a short walk in the fresh air. Your liver receives a kinder workload, your stomach feels calmer, and your afternoon mood and focus hold steady. 4. Low-fat flavored yogurt and skinny granola. Low-fat and light labels sound friendly for the heart and waist, yet they often hide added sugars or starches that push the liver to work overtime. Flavored yogurts taste sweet because manufacturers remove fat and add sugar or syrup to make the texture feel rich again. Skinny or low-calorie granolas can also pack quick carbs, puffed grains, dried fruit candy, and sweet coatings that melt into sugar the moment you eat. When this happens day after day, the liver turns more sugar into fat, the belly grows softer, and afternoon energy fades. You still enjoy creamy, crunchy bowls. You simply build them in a gentler way. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt for protein and fullness. Add a few berries for color, a dusting of cinnamon for warmth, and a spoon of crushed walnuts for crunch and omega benefits. If you like granola, use a small sprinkle like a garnish, not a full bowl. Better yet, toast a mix of rolled oats, pumpkin seeds, chia, and coconut flakes at home with a touch of vanilla, then store it in a jar for the week. Sweeten with a few fresh berries or a slice of ripe pear instead of syrup. Eat slowly and stop when comfortably satisfied. Your liver receives steady fuel. Your digestion feels lighter, and you carry clear energy through the afternoon without a crash. If you're facing bloating, constant fatigue, yellowish skin tone, or stubborn belly fat that will not budge, and you're over 60, this may be your warning sign. Thousands of seniors are already using a free health app that gives them simple tools to track symptoms, avoid risky foods, and feel supported every day. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it before it's too late. 3. Granola bars, energy bars, and natural sweet bites. A bar in the bag feels safe and smart, yet many natural bars mix oats with syrups, fruit pastes, crisp rice, and chocolate coatings that deliver dessert-level sugar in a small wrapper. The label often lists rice syrup, honey, agave, or concentrated fruit puree, which all act like quick sugar once they hit the tongue. The liver then must store the extra, and over time that storage shows up as fatty buildup, slower metabolism, and heavier evenings. You do not need to give up convenient snacks. You simply upgrade them. Read the first 3 ingredients and choose bars that list nuts and seeds before any sweetener. Look for fiber at least 3 grams and protein at least 8 grams per bar, with sugar ideally under 8 grams. Even better, make a tiny snack kit at home. A small handful of almonds, a few walnuts, a couple of dried prunes or apricots for gentle sweetness, and a square of dark chocolate. Another easy option uses a sliced apple spread with peanut butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon. If you like a warm bite, toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with avocado and a squeeze of lemon. Drink water or herbal tea alongside each snack and pause for 2 deep breaths before and after you eat. That pause helps your body shift into rest and digest, which protects the liver and calms the nervous system. Your evening hunger settles, late night cravings shrink, and your sleep quality often improves. 2. Plant-based meat and low-sodium canned soups. Plant-based patties and canned soups feel like safe, light choices, yet many versions carry hidden stress for the liver. Some meat alternatives use refined oils, stabilizers, and starches that fry quickly and taste meaty, but they also deliver dense calories with little natural fiber. Low-sodium canned soups reduce salt, but they often raise starches or add sweeteners to keep flavor, which still asks the liver to process fast carbs. The solution stays simple. Pick foods with short, clear ingredient lists and recognizable kitchen words. If you enjoy a veggie burger, choose a patty made from beans, lentils, quinoa, and vegetables. Then cook it at home in a pan with a light brush of extra virgin olive oil. Load the plate with a big salad of leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. For soup, simmer an easy pot with onions, carrots, celery, garlic, lentils, and herbs. Freeze extra portions in small containers so a warm, nourishing bowl stays ready on busy nights. If buying canned soup, aim for options with beans and vegetables listed before starches, and choose versions without cream, added sugar, or heavy thickeners. Pair every savory meal with water and a short stroll. Gentle movement after eating supports circulation, helps digestion, and takes pressure off the liver. Over the next weeks, you notice a lighter stomach, fewer afternoon slumps, and a calmer, more regular bathroom routine. 1. Heart healthy. Vegetable oils used all day. Bottles that say heart healthy make oils look harmless. Yet constant use of certain refined seed oils plus repeated reheating can burden the liver. Many restaurants fry foods in the same oil batch for hours, which forms compounds that taste crisp but feel harsh inside the body. At home, using a heavy hand with these oils at breakfast, lunch, and dinner adds up. The liver prefers variety, gentle heat, and small amounts. You do not need a strict diet, you simply switch to Kinder methods. For sautéing and light roasting, use extra virgin olive oil and keep heat moderate. For high heat needs, choose avocado oil and avoid smoking. For dressings, whisk olive oil with lemon juice, mustard, herbs, and a pinch of salt. Add flavor with whole foods instead of extra oil. Roasted garlic, fresh herbs, citrus zest, pepper, and a spoon of yogurt or tahini for creaminess. Bake or air fry instead of deep frying. When you plan the plate, make vegetables the star. Then add a palm of protein and a small drizzle of oil, not a pour. Keep a simple weekly rhythm. Big salad bowls, roasted sheet pan meals, easy lentil soups, and skillet fish with lemon. Drink water through the day and take slow breaths before meals. These small changes lower the daily oil load, protect the liver's workload, and bring back lightness after eating. You feel clearer, sleep more deeply, and wake with steady energy. Your liver works every minute to protect you, and today's swaps make its job easier. You now see how sugary drinks, low-fat sweets, snack bars, quick plant patties, and constant oil can quietly drain energy and slow digestion. When you choose whole fruit instead of juice, plain yogurt with berries instead of flavored cups, nut and seed snacks instead of syrupy bars, bean-based meals instead of processed patties, and moderate olive oil instead of heavy frying, your body thanks you with steadier energy, calmer stomach, and brighter mood. To avoid missing warning signs and to stay on a healthy routine, check the link in the description and pinned comment for the free Senior Health app. It's helping thousands of seniors feel more supported every single day. Please remember to speak with your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you manage blood pressure, diabetes, kidney concerns, or medicines. You deserve simple, tasty food that helps you feel light, clear, and strong. I believe in you, and I am here to guide you with care. Take one small step today, and your liver begins to smile back tomorrow.